Hi, I'm Brad with AccuAir, and I'm here to talk with you about some of the suspension components that come with our dynamic lift kit. So first and foremost, you get an air spring. This is going to directly replace your coil spring. It's as easy as pulling out your coil spring and putting this in. Second, we have a JRI shock that is tuned specifically for this air spring on this JL platform. We're going to include a lower control arm that's going to correct your suspension geometry, primarily your caster angle, put that back where it needs to be for this nominal lift height. We're going to get a longer sway bar end length. It's still the OEM style with the nice ball joint so it doesn't wear out prematurely, as well as a front track bar. Moving on to the back, once again we're going to have this air spring that's going to be a direct coil replacement. We're going to have another JRI shock tuned specifically for this air suspension on the rear for your platform. On the rear, we're going to include an upper control arm as well as the lower. The upper control arm's coming because we're actually tying our height sensor link to it. And the rear, once again, is going to re-correct for your caster angle with this nominal lift height. We're also going to be including a bump stop spacer with this and a sway bar end length that's once again longer, but it's still the OEM style so it doesn't wear out prematurely. The rear will also come with a drop bracket for the track bar. It's going to be the same factory OEM track bar. It's just a drop bracket that comes off of the frame to get it down a couple inches to accommodate that lift. And that's an overview of the general suspension components that we're going to give you with this AccuAir Dynamic Lift Kit. Thanks.